Hey guys, welcome back to Veganuary. It is time for the most boring vegan makeup and skincare routine video ever. So, the reason why I'm saying this is boring is because I don't do anything particularly exciting. I actually don't do a lot of skincare at all. I'm very, very low maintenance, but I thought this would be a fun thing to share with you guys, and I'm not trying to brag, but it seems like this routine does work for me. I mean, everybody's skin is different. I've had acne in the past. Luckily, I haven't really had it much lately, knock on wood, and I don't know if that's because of what I've been doing or just luck. But I thought I would share it with you guys. So I'm going to be talking about how I take care of my skin every day and also what makeup I wear. Okay, so I really do feel like if you don't wear a lot of makeup, the cleansing process, less is more, because I feel like a lot of the cleansers now are like too intense and you end up kind of damaging your skin. So I don't use a cleanser anymore. I started using these microfiber cloths, I guess last year, and this one is called Erase Your Face, and I think this is actually from DSW. I mean, you can get microfiber cloths at a lot of different places, but this one specifically, I believe, is from DSW. So all I do is put some warm water on this, get it all wet, then take off my makeup with this cloth. It's just water, that's it, and I feel so clean and refreshed after. I will say, though, you have to be careful with this because I feel like when I do it too much, my skin feels really dry because it really does take, like, everything out. It's crazy. So I usually use this a few times before I throw it in the wash, and then you save so much money instead of getting, like, the liquid makeup remover or the wipes, you know, and that's not good for the environment either. So this is a much friendlier way to do it. So that's it. No, I'm just kidding. That's it. I do that at night. I also wash my face with this, like after I exercise or whatever, and my face is all sweaty. Let's see, other skincare stuff. Let's do the nighttime stuff. So to help with acne, I've become addicted to these zit patches. This one specifically, I find works really, really well. I get these on Amazon. I can leave the link in the description below if you guys are interested. And these, okay, say you have a zit on your face. You just pop this bad boy on top of it. And not only are you not touching it because you have something physically blocking it, but overnight it like sucks the goo out of the zit. It is incredible. It cuts down the healing time an unbelievable amount. And I think it's definitely better for zits that are closer to the surface or even already opened. For the really deep, like cystic stuff, it doesn't work as good, but I still put them on anyway because then I'm not like touching it at night and I'm not messing with it. And I think it does help to pull stuff closer to the surface. So I think the whole process is a lot quicker when you use these, even on cystic acne. And there's a lot of different brands that make these patches now, and I think a lot of them even have like medications in them. Cool. But this is the one that I like. And then every once in a while, I'll treat myself to a little face mask. I don't do this as often as I should, but my favorite one, I love a charcoal mask. I can't even remember if this is the peel away one or not. I like the peel away ones the best. This one, I think this is a peel one. Ugh, I don't even remember. I haven't done it in a long time. But I like the Yes To line. It's all natural. Good stuff. This one is Yes To Tomatoes. And the charcoal is great for detoxifying your skin. And then I also have this Yes To mask. This one is grapefruit, and it's supposed to be for brightening. Honestly, I bought this because I really like the packaging. I really like the unicorn theme and the pink. But I have used it, and I did feel really nice after. I will say the applicator on this is kind of annoying. I was probably doing it wrong, but it's got like this thing on it. I don't know. I'm not huge on the applicator, but I do like the mask itself. So I lucked out that the actual product was as fun as the packaging. All right, so now let's talk about makeup. So I don't wear a lot of makeup day to day, but I do always wear moisturizer. I put it on in the morning and I put it on at night. And my favorite one right now is the Acure Brightening Day Cream. I know it says day cream, but I also use this at night. And they do have a night cream, but I just stick to this one. And you can see this one is pretty much empty, but I've been squeezing out every last drop of it. I like this one because it's not super greasy. It goes on very light. Yeah, I can't say anything bad about this. I just love it. And the smell is great. It's kind of like a fresh, I don't know, maybe kind of like a citrus-y smell. I can't really put my finger on it, but it is very fresh and I highly recommend it. So I put that on before I put on any makeup. And then this is my makeup that I use. I keep it in this sad plastic baggie. I used to have, well, I still have makeup bags that I was using for a while, but then when I started to work on movies and TV shows doing background work, I started putting together just like a small bag of the things that I actually use like every single day. So that's what this is, and I just ended up leaving it in there. So I only have a few things in here because I really don't wear that much makeup, but pretty much every day I will put on concealer. I've been wanting to maybe try out foundation, but I just haven't gotten into it yet. So right now I just do concealer, and I like the e.l.f. Lightweight concealer. This is in corpse color. Just kidding. But my skin tone is really, really pale. I think this is like the lightest one. It's called Fair/Light. So this is just like under eye and like any little spot treatment, whatever. I have this dirty brush that I have not washed in a very, very long time. All the beauty gurus are gonna come for me. And then I use mascara. So I always do the top lashes, and I just recently started doing the bottom lashes too for a little extra effect. So this one is Pixie by Petra. This is the Lash Booster Mascara. Ooh, I like this one because it's affordable and it does a good job. Yeah, I like it. It's not too clumpy. I don't like having like humongo lashes, so this is like a nice medium where it looks like I actually have them, but it's not like ridiculous. I was gonna say insane and ridiculous at the same time for rinsane. So that I wear mostly every day. I mean, like on weekends and stuff, maybe not, but maybe not even that. But yeah, and when I'm feeling really special, I will use some eyeliner, mostly just on the top. I like to do a little wing. And this is very rare. I used to do this every day, but I hardly ever do it now. So I have this dirty napkin that I wipe my eyeliner on. Been carrying that around for a while. And I like to use, what's this called? L'Oreal Infallible. This one, I actually started using this before I went vegan, I feel like, because I don't know if this is even cruelty-free, but Mom had an extra one, and I didn't want to just, like, throw it out without even using it, so if that's not cruelty-free, don't come for me on that, okay? I'm not just gonna waste it, but, yeah, this one I like, because it's not as, I feel like liquid eyeliner can be really unforgiving, especially if you have like a shaky hand like I do. So this one, it's a little bit easier to control, but you still have that sharp look that you would get with a liquid eyeliner. And I usually go a little bit thick, so I like this like lacquer type. And then I just have the brush to go with it. And that's it. So that is my vegan beauty routine right now. Let me know what you guys use in the comments if you have any good products that you want to recommend. I'm sorry if this was super boring, but hopefully you had a good time anyway. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and until then, much love.